Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we are going to do this little carrot together, so let's start it. So first we need to do a magic ring just like this, and then we put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over one side down to do one chain. In here we are going to do 4 single crochet for the first round. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. If you are new, you can put a mark in. And then we do 3 more single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, and go through 2 loops. After the 4 single crochet, we pull this end to close the circle in the center, and then take up our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in like this, and then yarn over here, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. And then for second round is 3 single crochet and a single crochet increase. In the very first, we do 1 chain to start our second round, and then we put our hook into the mark place. You can put this little end on top of our hook to carry it. And then here we yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. You can put a mark in. And then the second one is also a single crochet. Put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. So in our last stitch, we put our hook in, and then yarn over here, go through 2 loops. And then in the same stitch, we need to do 1 more single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. Then we need to organize it a little bit. And then we take out the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then for next round, here we do 1 chain to start. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and yarn over, goes through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet, and then remember to take a mark. For this round, we are going to do 4 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. The second single crochet, and then for our last stitch is a single crochet increase. Means in this stitch we are going to do 2 single crochet. After the single crochet increase, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. For the next round, we do 1 chain to start. The pattern is 5 single crochet and a single crochet increase. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Remember to put a mark for very first single crochet. And then we do 4 more single crochet. After the 5 single crochet, and for our last stitch is a single crochet increase. In this stitch, we are going to do 2 single crochet. And then we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round. The next round pattern is 6 single crochet and a single crochet increase. We put our hook in the mark place, yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Just remember to put a mark. And then we do 5 more. After the 6 single crochet, for our last stitch is a single crochet increase. In this stitch, we are going to do 2 single crochet. After this single crochet increase, we take off our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. Then for next round, we do 1 chain to start. The pattern for this round is all single crochet around, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. This is our first single crochet, just remember to put a mark. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and I will update weekly. And then after finishing all the single crochet, we take out the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. For the next round, we first do 1 chain, and the pattern for this round is all single crochet decrease. We put our hook into the center of the very first stitch, like this, and then put our hook into the center of the second stitch. We should have 3 loops on our hook in total, and then yarn over, go through the 2 loops, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is the first single crochet decrease, just remember to put a mark, and then we repeat. Put our hook into the center of the stitch, and the same for the next one, center of the stitch, yarn over, go through the 2 loops, and then 2 loops here. I'm gonna do 4 single crochet decrease for this round. So before we do the very last single crochet decrease, we can fill it. And then in our very last single crochet decrease, we need to change our yarn color. We first put our hook into the center of the stitch and the center of the next stitch. We yarn over, go through those 2 loops on our hook. Here we need to change our yarn color. We grab our green yarn and then press it on the back. Here, go through those 2 loops. In here, we put our hook into the mark place, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. Now we are about to doing the leaf part. The pattern is 5 chain first, and then back to the same stitch here. We do a single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then repeat it 5 chain first. In the second stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. The same here, 5 chain, put your hook into the very last stitch, do a 1 single crochet, and then back to our very first stitch. We can put our hook into the hole of the first leaf, do a slip stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. In here we do 1 chain and then snip off. And then this is all about this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Bye.